this particular case, in Rio Loco Marina, they received a boat with a couple of Evinrude engines. In one of the engines, in the port engine, in the middle section where the motor mounts are located, over there, the middle section was overheated.
That's the exhaust tube.
Yeah.
This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what's left of it.
Oh, yeah.
Probably a gasket went bad.
Uh-huh.
And then the heat, instead of going out through here, leaks into the lower unit here. And then the other water pump here. Oh,
Look,
here.
that one.
So for that tube going bad, the heat, instead of going through here in the lower unit, to the water pump.
Oh, and melted the water pump.
Melted the water pump instead of the exhaust. This tube goes like this. It's kind of like a muffler pipe.
Okay, perfect.
Directs the heat through here. When this was damaged, or this gasket, the heat comes up through here.
Correct.
And melted the water pump.
Oh, incredible, huh? Robert, right now we are going to replace the motor mounts in this outboard. Why you need preheated?
We're heating the bolts. Two of the bolts you could see had corrosion that came out.
Oh yeah, fault is corrosion. That's the enemy, no?
Yeah, the enemy. So right now we're heating it. You heat the back of the bolt as much as you can because oil or lubricant gets attracted to heat. So you actually heat the back of the bolt as much as possible, so when you spray lubricant on the front, it absorbs into the nut.
Be careful with the raw water. The raw water is the life of the engines, especially the marine engine. Doesn't matter if they are outboards or inboards. You need to be checking the flow of raw water in the exhaust pipe if it's an inboard engine, or you see the small flow of water in outboard. This is an indication that you have a flow of raw water.